Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can achieve the zoom-in effect on your videos using CapCut. It's a straightforward process, so just follow along with my steps. Before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. First, open CapCut on your phone or tablet and click on the plus icon to create a new project. You'll see a video on the timeline. This is where we'll apply the zoom effect. You can start from the beginning or drag the video to the part where you want the zoom to start. Once you've selected the video, click on the keyframe button to add a keyframe. Then simply pinch to zoom with your fingers, just like you would on a photo or video in your gallery. CapCut will automatically add keyframes for you, and you can add as many as you want. The closer the keyframes are, the faster the zoom animation will be. And that's it! You've successfully created a zoom-in effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.